to another McLogo video, and see this guy sneaking around here. Gecko is back with us for some days. I've also been away for quite some time. I've been to Japan, and it was awesome. Love Japan, a really beautiful country, beautiful food, people, and clean. Yeah, today we're with the crew flying here in one of our favorite spots, and I'm here with Rock, with Chris, with Average, and with Georg, with Gecko. So enjoy it, have a nice day, bye bye.